What is going on, guys? Welcome to In the Mind of Sir Lewis, episode number 2. If you guys know, this is a series that I started where I talk about my recent positions, like this one. As you can see, 164%, 35x leverage short on Bitcoin. And I really break it down and talk about my mind process and the details behind why I chose to take a certain trade. And I think this can help a lot of people because when you start trading and you learn from others, you have to improvise based on many type of situations. And I try to break down each situation and what I did and what went right for me. And also, if you guys want to catch out the first episode, I'm gonna leave a playlist in the description for this series, but episode number 1 is already up. You guys can watch that after that. So without further ado, let's check out here my latest trade here, my short on Bitcoin, shorting it near the top. And I actually have a bunch of trades still open on this short. I have one at 24,200, so I got to short it literally at the top. This is just one of the trades that I took a profit on. But if you guys know, I post all my trades here in the Discord Investor Rest Club, and I also post my signal alerts. And this was one of the alerts here that I posted for the trade, which I'm gonna talk about. If you guys want to join Investor Rest Club, my trading group, you guys can join in the pinned comment below. But let's just look right here on my call. I said we have bearish divergence on the 4-hour. As we continue in this uptrend, Bitcoin can come down and make a higher low on these targets, where I'm looking to take profits from my shorts, 1 hour overbought and showing momentum to the downside. And I literally posted this, okay, and this was before Bitcoin had that rally to 24,200. It was around 23,800. The reason why I posted that alert right there was because Bitcoin was around here. It was around 23,800 or so. And I didn't say that Bitcoin will like start to fall from here. What I said was that on the 4-hour, which you can see right here, I actually drew it, we have some bearish divergence. Okay, so you know, in my mind during this time, I was watching this and I was like, okay, we made a higher high, but on the 4-hour we made a lower low, and that's clear bearish divergence. You see that? Now, just because there's some bearish divergence on the 4-hour doesn't mean it's gonna dump automatically. Like you can see, we had it right there, and then look, we had a little small fall, but we didn't dump like we did right here. We kept going up to 24,270, right? And I actually got to short at 24,250. So I got a short near the top. And the reason why I shorted near over here was because I knew that Bitcoin was running out of fuel and it was going to eventually have a big, huge dump because of the bearish divergence, right? And again, I was laddering in my shorts. I didn't put like just one short at the top. I was laddering in my shorts. I have one at 24,000, one at 24,150. So I had a good variety of shorts. And then voila, what happened? We start dumping down, right? Bearish divergence playing out. And I love this indicator right here, which is a combination of the RSI and the stochastic. And right here, we got a huge signal right here, bear, which usually means that we're coming down. And exactly, look at that, perfectly, right? And I was also looking here on the hourly, and you can see right here that the hourly was finally overbought. Okay, you can clearly see right here, after we got that bearish divergence, we were very overbought. Now right here, we did come down and then we rose up right to 24,000. But that's another reason why I decided to put a lot of shorts here, because we rose up super fast. You see that on the hourly to overbought again. And then it's kind of like a mountain, right? We started dumping very hard here and we had a big pivotal moment. And even here on the hourly, we get a bearish signal, which usually means that we're dumping, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah, I was able to call this pretty good. Again, if you guys want to join my trading group, it's in the pinned comment below, Investor Rest Club. Me and other traders are always posting signal alerts and what we think about the markets, our opinions. And just like I said right here, we're coming down to make a higher low if you continue on this uptrend, right? You can see that I had these targets right here, 22,632, 22,190. Now, I did exactly what I said. I took profits around 22,600, right? Which it came down to, right? And I took some profits around 22,300. And I was spot on because I said, you know, Bitcoin's in this aggressive uptrend, and uptrends, all uptrends are a combination of higher highs and higher lows. That's exactly what we have right here. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. Then we made a higher high, and then I said, okay, we can come down to 22,300. Even if we come down to 21,800, we'll still form a higher low, right? We'll still be in this uptrend and form a higher low. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's episode number 2 in the mind of Sir Lewis. I hope to help you guys out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Go catch episode number 1 and the other videos in the playlist. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.